Welcome everybody to day 7 of connecting with nature. Unfortunately, as you can see, the snow has left us. It's melted away. But there's still plenty of opportunities to connect with nature. Ooh. Fortunately, there's this nice stump right outside my fence. So we're gonna sit on this stump and enjoy nature. Ooh, it's nice and wet, so gonna have a nice wet bum. Oh well. So as I sit out here on the stump, looking at these trees, what do I feel? Well, it's very peaceful out here. It's very quiet. I can't hear the road. I can't hear the sounds of life. I just hear the sounds of nature. I hear birds chirping, some toads croaking, some birds flying overhead. The air is clean, and it's wonderful. I encourage you all to go outside. Just breathe in the fresh air and the sounds of nature. It will clear your mind and clear your soul. Man, it feels amazing to go outside. Well, I'm standing on this stump, overlooking God's empire. And look how beautiful everything is. This stump's pretty nasty, though. Could balance like this for hours. Because when you're in nature, you have balance. And when you have balance, you don't fall over. And when you don't fall over, you can balance. And when you have balance, you don't fall over. And why don't you fall over? Because you have balance. Well, have a great day, everybody. Go connect with nature. Go outside. Clear your mind, clear your soul. Have a great day, everybody. God loves you. Cold Man Spence out.